We all have them. Pay attention to make sure you're not one of them. These are the top 10 most annoying types of people on Facebook. Number 10, the blind sharer. This person will share anything that gives them the option. They don't care if it's factual, appropriate, or if it even applies to them. Sometimes we have to wonder if these people even read what they decide to post onto hundreds of news feeds. Hashtag no makeup. Hashtag death. Hashtag chilling with my favorite president and astrophysicist. Hashtag Number 8, anyone who starts a group chat. Number 7, the reactivating deactivators. Hey everyone, I'll be deactivating. Facebook is taking up too much of my time and causing too much drama. If you want to stay in contact, PM me. Number 6, the Shameless Self-Promoters. My shitty band needs you to vote for us in a contest. Instead of getting better and making music to get real votes, we're just gonna flood your newsfeed, timeline, events, and calendar with pleas until you and everyone on your friends list does, so that we can feel like we've earned something. Thanks for your support. We love you. Metal. Number 5. That dipshit who can never manage to keep a functional phone. Hey 1000 Facebook friends. I just got a new phone, so text me with your numbers for the 5th time this year. Thanks, laters. Number 4. The ever vague and mysterious. This person is constantly posting to her 999 friends a status that means absolutely nothing to anybody else but her and her one friend. Just 5 more days. Is that a threat? Does Jenny have a gun? Is there a bomb? Number 3, the new mother. Watch as your newsfeed slowly turns into a baby book. Number 2, the constant updater. Number 1, the Quiz Addict. This person has to know everything. What type of eye infection are you? You got conjunctivitis. Click here to see what kind of foot infection you are, and be sure to share with your friends.